This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, May 6th. I'm Marche Bird. On Thursday, the boys and girls tennis teams continued their success with wins over Norview. The girls won 7-2, while the boys scored a 9-0 victory. The girls lacrosse team cruised to an 18-4 victory over First Colonial. On Friday, the baseball and softball teams won big over Booker T. The baseball team won 19-0 behind Nolan Manzer's 13 strikeouts. Meanwhile, the softball team claimed a 21-3 victory as Samantha Wilcox hit a 3-run homer. On Saturday, the boys lacrosse team scored a 12-8 win over First Colonial. Now here's Manene in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Marche. Today, the boys and girls tennis teams battle a couple of peninsula foes. The boys play Kickotan here at Maury, while the girls travel to Menchville. Matches begin at 4 o'clock. The boys lacrosse team takes on Grassfield in a playoff match at the Princess Anne Athletic Center. The game begins at 7:30. Tomorrow, the outdoor track team will compete against Eastern District foes at Norview. Races begin at 3 p.m. At 3:30, the boys and girls tennis teams take on the rival Granby Comets. The girls will play at Granby, while the boys will play here at Maury. The baseball and softball teams travel to Churchland to battle the Truckers. Game time is 4 o'clock p.m. The JV baseball game will be played here at Maury. The weather should be nice, so get out and support the Commodores. Back to you, Marche.
Thanks, Manene. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Today is the first day of AP testing, much of which will be administered in the gym this year. That's all for Monday's update. I'm Marche Bird. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.